After someone has stolen your destiny, or after someone has exchanged their fate with yours, what are you supposed to do in order for you to get back your destiny? Before they take your destiny, they first look inside your spiritual star. Each and every one of us have their own spiritual star. Your spiritual star is connected to your third eye. Your spiritual star is the light and the guide to your destiny. When they look at your spiritual star and they see that you are meant for greatness, that is when using the external force, and some using projection, they take away your spiritual star, thus exchanging your destiny. Despite your element, you need to use water in order to get back your star. This is because whenever they take your spiritual star, they usually hide your spiritual star inside the ocean. Now, there are 3 ways that you are supposed to do in order to get back your star, depending on the one that suits you best. Number 1. Go into any beach and fetch ocean water. Come with that ocean water and wait until the time of the full moon, when the forces and the spirit of the waters are powerful and strong enough. At exactly 12 midnight, summon the spirit of the waters to get back your spiritual star for you. This is how you say it. I summon the spirit of the waters to come into my aid and get back my spiritual star for me, and to end my suffering because I have spoken, and so shall it be. Now, after you have done that, take the water and wash your face with that water. And by doing that, you have successfully regained your destiny back. Number 2, you need to take a spiritual bath. By taking a spiritual bath, you are cleansing yourself. And by cleansing yourself, you are purifying your spirit and breaking the bond between your magnetic field and the external entities that the person who is using your destiny is attaching yourself with. This is how you prepare a spiritual bath. You need to boil water and put the warm water inside a bathtub. You need to add sea salt and mix well. After that, add pieces of garlic, pieces of lemon, add cloves, and also you can add pure lavender. Before you take the bath, say these words: I take this bath to purify myself and detach myself from the external entities that are holding my star. Because I have spoken, so shall it be. Now, you need to take that bath and do not use any soap. By doing that, you have cleansed yourself and you have broken the bond between you and the external entities that are holding your star. Number 3, you need to use your tears to get back your star. This is what you are supposed to do. You need to isolate yourself. And after isolating yourself, you need to lower your vibration. How do you lower your vibration? You need to think about the suffering that you have passed without your star. You need to think about the rejection. You need to think about the bad lucks that you have been facing into your life. What you are doing, you are triggering your tears. Let those tears come out and collect your tears. After collecting your tears, you need to talk to those tears and say these words: I offer these tears to you, Mother Nature, to understand my suffering and bring back my star. Because I have spoken, so shall it be. Now, you need to pour those tears to the Mother Nature. You need to pour those tears to the ground. What you have done something that we call the tear offering. That is so much powerful. And by doing that, you have regained your star. Now, in my next video, I'm going to teach you how to protect yourself so that a person cannot access your star, and how to know a person who had access to your star. You can follow, like, and comment.